Stop what you're doing and look at this payment screenshot. That is over $300 I made yesterday using just my phone, and I'm going to show you the exact 3 apps I used to do it. After testing dozens of money-making methods, I found these 3 apps that truly work. Last month, I was struggling to find legitimate side hustle until I discovered these gems. What made this app special? They actually pay real money. They are available worldwide, and you can start earning within the next hour. No complicated setup or technical skills needed. Just follow along as I review each app and the simple strategies that help me go from skeptical to profitable in less than a week. The first app I'm going to show you is seriously underrated. Look at this. I made $50 yesterday in just 1 hour using it. Most people have never heard of it, which means less competition for you and me. It's called Feed Agent, a microtask platform that pays you between $2 to $12 for quick tasks. What kind of tasks? Simple stuff like checking prices at local stores, taking photos of product displays, or even just confirming if items are in stock. I did 5 tasks yesterday at stores I was already going to visit anyway. See this payment history on my screen. That is $28 from yesterday. Real money, not points or gift cards. And the best part is, Feed Agent pays you instantly once you complete a task. I'm not talking about waiting weeks like with those survey apps that waste your time for pennies. These tasks take 5 to 10 minutes max, and the money hits your account right away. Here is a tip that will put you ahead of 90% of people using this app. Set up notifications and filter for only the highest paying tasks. Look at my settings. I've set it to notify me only for tasks paying $8 or more. This way, I don't waste time on the lower paying ones. When a good task pops up, you need to claim it fast before someone else does. Now, let me show you app number 2, which honestly changed everything for me. It's a mobile-friendly affiliate program through Digistore24 that pays you $25 to $50 per sale. You are probably thinking, don't I need a website for affiliate marketing? Nope, not with this method. I create 30 seconds videos promoting this product directly from my phone. No fancy equipment, no editing skills needed. Just open the Digistore24 app, pick a product, grab your affiliate link, and then make a simple video talking about the benefits. The reason most people fail with affiliate marketing is they choose the wrong products. I have tested dozens, and there are 3 digital products with 75% or higher commission rates that convert incredibly well on social media. One is a $37 weight loss guide that nets me about $28 per sale. Another is $49 personal finance spreadsheet package that pays around $37 per sale. The third is a $25 skill care guide with a 90% commission rate. And number 3 is my passive income secret. It's called Toluca. On the surface, it looks like just an app that pays you to complete simple AI training tasks like categorizing images or recording voice samples. But the real money comes from the referral program. For every person you refer who completes tasks, you earn 20% of what they make without affecting their earnings. I have built up a small network of 25 active referrals who each earn about $4 daily, which gives me $20 passive income every single day. It's add up fast. So here is the exact method to make $300 in a day. I spend 1 hour in the morning using Feed Agent to complete tasks worth $50. Then I post 3 affiliate videos promoting those high converting Digistore24 products on TikTok, which brings in around $150 from about 6 sales. Finally, I refer 5 new friends to Toluca, which eventually adds another $100 to my passive income stream. That is $300 total in less than 4 hours of actual work. The best part, you can do all this from anywhere. I'm literally filming this video from my phone at the park right now, and I've already completed 2 Feed Agent tasks on my way here. That is $16 I made while working to make this video for you. You don't need to be a tech-savvy either. If you can use social media and follow simple instructions, you can do this. The Feed Agent apps guides you through each task step by step. The affiliate videos are just talking about products you like, nothing complicated. And getting referrals for Toluca is as simple as sharing your link with friends looking for extra income. The first few days I only make about $75 total, but once I got more comfortable with the apps and refined my strategy, the money started growing quickly. Also, you don't need to live in a big city for feed agents. I tested this in my hometown with just 30,000 people, and I still found enough tasks. The affiliate marketing and Toloka paths work anywhere in the world with internet access. I have followers doing this in the Philippines, India, and all across Europe, making similar amounts. Before I show you how to put it all together, I need to address the elephant in the room. You are probably wondering, is this just another scam? I tested over 50 money-making apps myself, and while most were time wasters, these three consistently paid real money. Most online e-com methods require laptop, experience, or startup costs. I wanted something anyone can do with just a phone, and these three apps consistently paid decent money without additional requirements. Here is my exact daily schedule you can copy. 8 to 9 a.m. feed agent tasks. I check the app immediately upon waking to secure the best tasks. I complete 5 to 6 tasks in my neighborhood, earning around $50. And I also plan an efficient route, hitting gas stations, grocery stores, and retail shops. Last week, I finished my morning routine and checked my balance while sitting in my car. Seeing that $47 payment hit my account before 9 a.m. was incredibly motivating. My 9 to 10 a.m. is creating affiliate videos and made 30 seconds videos using only my phone and CapCut free editing app. I simply prop my phone against something and talk naturally. I followed this conversation-focused format. 1. Identify a common problem. Tired of spending hours meal prepping? 2. Agitate the problem. It eats up your Sunday and the food gets boring by Wednesday. 3. Present your affiliate product as the solution. 4. Show proof it works. Screenshots of your reviews and results. 5. End with clear call to action. That is my 9 to 10 a.m. schedule. While my 10 to 11 a.m. is Toloka referrals. 1. Send referrals links to friends and relevant online community. 2. I participate genuinely in conversations before mentioning Toloka. 3. I target Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and WhatsApp groups. 4. And also use prepare response for common questions. The number one reason people fail with this method is lack of consistency. When I started, I made about $20 daily. After 2 weeks of persistent effort, I hit my first $300 per day. Now, I reached that number consistently because I stuck with it. Another mistake is not tracking results. I use a simple template in my Notes app to recall which videos and referrals convert best. This data helped me focus on what works rather than guessing. The strength of this blueprint lies in e-com diversification across the resources. When feed agent is low, your affiliate videos compensate. If videos underperform one day, Toloka referrals might surge. This creates a consistent income stream versus relying on a single method. To scale to $500 daily with just 1 extra hour, I use a free scheduling tool for batch creates and automatically post content throughout the day. Last month, I created 21 videos in one Sunday afternoon session, scheduled them for the week, and woke up to $72 in commissions from viewers in different time zones who watched while I slept. I have also created a template message for Toloka referrals that I customize quickly. This cuts my outreach time in half, while increasing sign-ups by addressing common questions and objections upfront, prompting immediate action instead of hesitation. So there you have it, the exact 3 apps and 4-hour blueprint I use to make $300 daily for my phone. Earning this money is possible with just 3 proven apps and a simple daily routine. This method has transformed how I work, and I know it can work for you too. Comment below for exclusive payment screenshots and your personal copy of the scaling guide, or type auto if you want my free guide on scaling this to $500 per day. Next week is going to be huge. I'm showing you how I turn this phone method into a $1,000 daily system. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and you're welcome.